Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the powerful world of umbrella candle techniques. Without waiting to we are directly going to the topic, and what is its importance and how to identify the candle we are discussed in this topic, so let's ready to boost your trading knowledge. Now I discuss about the umbrella candle techniques. The umbrella candle is a single candlestick pattern that provides traders with an opportunity to set up directional trades. Its interpretation shifts depending on where it appears on a chart. It's give a clear direction of market movement without discussion. Direct going to umbrella candle topic. Introduction to the hammer candle in the umbrella group. The hammer candle is part of the umbrella group of candlestick patterns. Hammer candle characteristics to real body. The real body is small and located at the upper end of the trading range. The real body open and close are most near lower shadow. There is a long lower shadow, at least twice the length of the real body, which indicates that prices dropped significantly during the trading period but rebounded to close near the opening price. It's look like a wick. This indicates strong demand in the market. In a scenario of low supply and high demand, the appearance of a hammer candle suggests that buyers are coming in to take over the market, showing a reaction to potential bullish momentum. Interpretation: there is no meaning to sellers' action. Hammer candle appears a body market sentiment. The appearance of a hammer suggests that despite the bears driving prices down, the bulls managed to push the price back up, showing strong buying interest. Trend reversal: when found at the bottom of a downtrend, a hammer candle may indicate a potential bullish reversal, prompting traders to consider long positions. Next, the bearish umbrella candle, or hanging man. This appears after an uptrend and signals a possible downward reversal. The long lower shadow shows sellers trying to take control. The real body is small and located at the upper end of the trading range. Lower shadow: the lower shadow is long, at least twice the length of the real body, indicating that prices fell significantly during the trading period but recovered to close near the opening price. Upper shadow: the upper shadow, if present, is very short, but recovered to close near the opening price. It is formed because of the bears not allowing the bulls to push the price high. After formation of hanging man, need confirmation is crucial with the hanging man. Wait for the next candle to close lower to confirm the reversal. This adds reliability to the pattern and helps you make better trading decisions. A shooting star has a small real body at the bottom, a long upper shadow, and little to no lower shadow. This indicates that buyers pushed prices up, but sellers drove them back down, showing bearish sentiment. The shooting star is a single candle pattern of bearish nature. It consists of a small body and a long upward wick. The shooting star signals that the current bullish trend is near its end and a reversal may take place soon. In combination with other indicators, this pattern can represent a sell trade opportunity. Characteristics of a shooting star. The shooting star has a short body due to the proximity between its open, O, close, C, and low, L, price levels. The second key element is the wick, which should be twice as large as the shooting star's body. The left candle in the photo is green since the close is higher than open, while the right candle represents the opposite scenario. Although both candles represent a shooting star, the red candle is stronger since the bears take over and force a close near the session's low. Why is it bearish? Based on the shape of a candle, a shooting star is a bearish pattern since the long wick is a sign of weakness on the side of the bulls. The upward momentum gets exhausted as the selling pressure grows. A shooting star plays an essential part in the price action, as it signals an impending reversal. The bulls may have been building an upward motion for a long time, and making gains, but the creation of a shooting star at the top of an uptrend sends a signal that this chapter of the story may end soon. As traders, we always search for ways to capitalize on big moves. That is why a shooting star is a crucial element of the price action, as it signals that a new trend may be starting soon. After formation of shooting star, need confirmation is crucial with the shooting star. Wait for the next candle to close lower to confirm the reversal. This adds reliability to the pattern and helps you make better trading decisions. Next topic, as an inverted hammer has a small real body at the bottom, a long upper shadow, and little to no lower shadow. This indicates that sellers pushed prices down, but buyers drove them back up, showing bullish sentiment. The inverted hammer candlestick formation occurs mainly at the bottom of downtrends and can act as a warning of a potential bullish reversal pattern. The inverted hammer formation is created when the open, low, and close are roughly the same price. Also, there is a long upper shadow which should be at least twice the length of the real body. The inverted hammer is generated in the downtrend or after it, and this is a mark of a highly probable trend reversal. It appears when bullish traders are ready to change the trend after bearish traders. After formation of inverted hammer candle, need confirmation is crucial with the inverted hammer. Wait for the next candle to close higher to confirm the reversal. This adds reliability to the pattern and helps you make better trading decisions. And another important signals are double bottom. On the contrary, double bottom is one of the most robust reversal patterns. Its shape resembles the letter W, as it consists of two consecutive lowest points that are nearly equal, with a moderate peak between them. The inverted hammer at the second bottom on this chart confirms the double bottom, and both indicators signal the market moves up. A trader needs to wait for the market closure above the inverted hammer's high to go long. V bottom. This is another technical analysis pattern that receives its name after the letter. Its shape looks like the letter V and appears when price momentum changes from an aggressive selling to an aggressive buying condition. The inverted hammer typically forms before a trader enters the trade. So when the market closes above the high of the inverted hammer, it's time to go long. Keep in mind that it is necessary to trade these both patterns with a support level, as it tends to bounce off the trends. The difference between the shooting star and hanging man, hammer and hanging man, it is no surprise that some of them look very similar. In this particular case, it is worth noting the difference between a shooting star and a hammer, an inverted hammer and a hanging man. The hammer. A shooting star is a hammer pattern turned upside down. Both send the same message: a change in the price direction may start soon. The big difference is that the former is a bearish reversal pattern, while the latter is a bullish reversal formation. A hammer takes place at the end of a downtrend, while a shooting star occurs at the end of an uptrend. The inverted hammer. An inverted hammer occurs at the bottom of the downtrend when the bears show the first signs of weakness and tiredness. Like a hammer, an inverted hammer is a bullish reversal pattern that signals the growing presence of the bulls in the equation. An inverted hammer takes place in a downtrend while a shooting star occurs after a series of bullish candles that bring the price action higher. Hanging man. The hanging man pattern looks almost entirely the same as the shooting star candle. Traders consider it to be a bearish reversal pattern that takes place at the end of the uptrend, again the same as the shooting star. Let's recap. Umbrella group candles are your go-to for spotting reversals. Hammer. Appeared at the bottom of a downtrend. Small real body at the top. Long lower shadow, little to no upper shadow. It's bullish reversal indicating potential upward movement. Need confirmation, wait for the next candle to close higher. Hanging man appeared at the top of an uptrend. Small real body at the top, long lower shadow, little to no upper shadow. It's bearish reversal indicating potential downward movement. Need confirmation, wait for the next candle to close lower. Inverted hammer appeared at the bottom of a downtrend. Small real body at the bottom, long upper shadow, little to no lower shadow. It's bullish reversal indicating potential upward movement. Need wait for the next candle to close higher. Shooting star appeared at the top of an uptrend. Small real body at the bottom, long upper shadow, little to no lower shadow. It's bearish reversal indicating potential downward movement. Need wait for the next candle to close lower. These patterns are valuable tools for identifying potential market reversals. Always wait for confirmation with the next candle to ensure the reliability of the signal. And next session we are deeply discussed with practical session of umbrella candle with trading cart. If you like our video, subscribe for more trading tips and comment below.